Millionaires don't buy this motorhome to go camping. They buy it because it lets them live, work, and travel without giving up comfort, privacy, or control. From the outside, this motorhome already tells you it's something different. The beige and champagne bodywork feels refined and confident, not flashy, not aggressive. The design is smooth and futuristic, with strong proportions that make it feel more like a luxury concept vehicle than a traditional motorhome. Black accents and dark-tinted windows add contrast and depth, giving it a bold but elegant presence on the road. This motorhome isn't trying to look adventurous or playful. It's designed to feel calm, controlled, and premium. Everything about the exterior suggests that once you step inside, the experience will be intentional and thoughtfully designed. As you enter the interior, the transition feels seamless. The same beige tone continues inside, now paired with matte black elements and warm golden lighting. The atmosphere immediately feels welcoming and balanced. It's modern, but not cold. Luxurious, but not overwhelming. The lighting is soft and indirect, creating a cozy environment while still highlighting the clean architectural lines of the space. The lounge area is compact, but extremely well organized. Two straight sofas face each other, upholstered in champagne beige and contrasted with black details. The layout feels structured and calm, designed for conversation and relaxation rather than clutter. Between the sofas, there is a single slim table, placed exactly in the center, keeping the space open and visually balanced. The black-tinted windows surround the lounge, adding privacy and reinforcing the sleek exterior identity. Golden ceiling lighting runs gently above, creating a warm glow that makes the space feel inviting even at night. Despite its compact size, the lounge never feels cramped. Everything is scaled correctly, making it comfortable without wasting space. Moving into the kitchen, the design becomes even more efficient. This is a compact galley kitchen built for real use. Beige handle-less cabinets line the wall, paired with a matte black countertop that adds contrast and durability. Every element is integrated cleanly, keeping the space visually calm. The kitchen includes a built-in induction cooktop, a black integrated sink, and just the right amount of storage for daily needs. Opposite the galley, a small fold-down dining table creates a practical eating area for two. Compact seating tucks neatly away when not in use, maintaining a clear walkway and preserving the minimalist look. Golden under-cabinet lighting provides both function and atmosphere, making the kitchen feel warm and refined. Next to the kitchen, a private executive office area is seamlessly integrated into the side of the motorhome. This isn't a separate room, but it feels private and focused. A floating matte black desk is built directly into the wall, paired with a compact ergonomic chair upholstered in beige with black accents. The workspace is quiet and purposeful. There's space for a laptop, essential tech, and nothing more. Golden task lighting softly illuminates the desk, while the black-tinted window beside it adds privacy and calm. This office makes it clear that this motorhome is designed for people who work while they travel, without sacrificing comfort or professionalism. As you move deeper inside, the dressing area feels intimate and personal. Full-height beige wardrobes line the corridor, partially open to reveal hanging clothes inside. Warm golden LED lighting inside the cupboards makes the space feel organized and luxurious. Matte black drawers below provide additional storage without breaking the clean look. A slim vanity shelf with a softly backlit mirror adds functionality while keeping the area uncluttered. There's even a compact pull-out bench, making it easy to get dressed comfortably in a tight space. Everything here is designed to feel private, calm, and efficient. The bedroom is where the interior truly becomes cozy. Unlike conceptual or cabin-style layouts, this is a proper bedroom, scaled perfectly for a motorhome. A low-profile upholstered bed sits centered against the rear wall, finished in soft beige fabric that immediately makes the space feel warm and inviting. The padded headboard, layered bedding, and soft pillows create a hotel-like comfort without excess. Matte black trims subtly frame the space, adding contrast without overpowering it. Black-tinted windows are paired with soft curtains, allowing you to control light and privacy easily. Golden cove lighting around the ceiling and gentle reading lights near the bed create a relaxing atmosphere that's perfect for winding down after a long day. The bathroom continues the same refined language. It's compact, but it feels premium and spa-like. Beige and stone-textured surfaces are contrasted with matte black fixtures. A glass-enclosed shower keeps the space open, while a floating vanity adds a clean, modern touch. Warm golden lighting reflects softly off the surfaces, making the bathroom feel calm and comfortable rather than clinical. At the front of the motorhome, the cockpit completes the experience. Two fixed forward-facing seats are positioned directly toward the dashboard and steering wheel, reinforcing a focused driving posture. The design is clean and logical, with a flat digital dashboard and a wide panoramic windshield that opens up the road ahead. Beige upholstery and matte black controls maintain the same interior identity, while subtle golden ambient lighting adds refinement without distraction. This cockpit feels more like a premium vehicle cabin than a motorhome, designed for long, confident drives. When you look at the motorhome as a whole, it's clear that everything has been designed with balance in mind. Comfort without excess, luxury without clutter, style without compromise. This is not a motorhome for occasional trips. It's built for people who want to live, work, and travel in one cohesive space. A motorhome designed at this level, with this kind of customization and finish, would realistically sit in the high-end luxury segment, with pricing easily reaching the upper six figures or beyond, depending on specifications. Would you live in a motorhome like this, where comfort, design, and mobility come together so seamlessly? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, like the video, subscribe for more futuristic motorhomes and luxury interiors, and tell me which part of this motorhome impressed you the most.